Did you know that zinc is crucial for over 300 enzymatic reactions in your body? It's essential for everything from boosting your immune system to healing wounds. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of zinc-rich foods in your diet. Zinc is often overlooked, but it plays a vital role in our overall health. From supporting immune function to promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails, zinc is a micronutrient that deserves our attention. The problem is that many of us don't get enough zinc through our diet alone. That's why it's essential to incorporate zinc-rich foods in your meals. In this video, we'll explore the top zinc-rich foods you need to eat now for better health. So let's dive in and explore the top zinc-rich foods that can help you take control of your health. Oysters are often considered one of the richest sources of zinc. In fact, a single oyster provides about 76 milligrams of zinc, which is roughly 460% of the recommended daily intake. But what makes oysters so special? For one, they're packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help support immune function. In addition to their high zinc content, oysters are also rich in protein, vitamin D, and copper. This makes them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Oysters are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in a variety of ways, from grilled to fried. If you're looking to boost your immune system, oysters should be at the top of your list. Not only do they provide a concentrated dose of zinc, but they also contain other essential nutrients that support overall health. Red meat is another excellent source of zinc, particularly beef, pork, and lamb. These meats are not only rich in protein, but also contain a significant amount of zinc. In fact, a 3-ounce serving of beef can provide up to 7 milligrams of zinc, which is roughly 45% of their recommended daily intake. Red meat is also rich in iron, which is essential for healthy red blood cells. This makes it an excellent choice for people who struggle with anemia or low iron levels. And let's not forget about the role red meat plays in muscle health and energy levels. When it comes to choosing the best red meat for zinc, opt for grass-fed, lean cuts. Not only are they lower in saturated fat, but they're also higher in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Red meat is a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. It's a delicious and nutritious way to boost your zinc intake and support overall health. Poultry, particularly chicken and turkey, are another excellent source of zinc. While not as high in zinc as red meat, poultry is still a great option for those looking to increase their zinc intake. A 3-ounce serving of chicken breast, for example, provides about 2 milligrams of zinc, which is roughly 12% of the recommended daily intake. Turkey is also a good choice, with a similar amount of zinc per serving. Poultry is also an excellent source of protein, making it a great option for those looking to support muscle health and energy levels. And let's not forget about the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds found in poultry, which can help support immune function. If you're looking for a leaner protein source, opt for breast meat or thighs without the skin. This will help reduce your saturated fat intake while still providing a good amount of zinc. Beans and legumes are a plant-based powerhouse when it comes to zinc. While not as high in zinc as animal products, beans and legumes are still an excellent choice for vegetarians and vegans. In fact, a 1/2 cup serving of chickpeas provides about 1.3 milligrams of zinc, which is roughly 8% of the recommended daily intake. Other high-zinc beans and legumes include kidney beans, black beans, and lentils. Beans and legumes are also rich in fiber, protein, and antioxidants, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. And let's not forget about their role in supporting heart health and blood sugar control. If you're looking to increase your zinc intake as a vegetarian or vegan, make sure to include a variety of beans and legumes in your diet. Nuts and seeds are another great source of zinc, particularly pumpkin seeds, which are one of the richest plant-based sources of zinc. In fact, a 1/4 cup serving of pumpkin seeds provides about 2 milligrams of zinc, which is roughly 12% of the recommended daily intake. Nuts and seeds are also rich in healthy fats, protein, and antioxidants, making them an excellent snack or addition to salads and oatmeal. But what makes nuts and seeds so special? For one, they're incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into your diet. Plus, they're rich in fiber and healthy fats, which can help support heart health and blood sugar control. If you're looking to increase your zinc intake, make sure to include a variety of nuts and seeds in your diet, including pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, and almonds. Dairy products, particularly cheese and yogurt, are another excellent source of zinc. In fact, a 1-cup serving of yogurt provides about 1 milligram of zinc, which is roughly 6% of the recommended daily intake. Dairy products are also rich in protein, calcium, and probiotics, making them an excellent choice for those looking to support bone health and immune function. When it comes to choosing the best dairy products for zinc, opt for full-fat, grass-fed options. Not only are they higher in nutrients, but they're also lower in added sugars and artificial ingredients. Dairy products are a staple in many cuisines around the world, and for good reason. They're a delicious and nutritious way to boost your zinc intake and support overall health. Whole grains, particularly quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, are another great source of zinc. While not as high in zinc as animal products, whole grains are still an excellent choice for those looking to increase their zinc intake. A 1-cup serving of cooked quinoa, for example, provides about 1.5 milligrams of zinc, which is roughly 9% of the recommended daily intake. Whole grains are also rich in fiber, antioxidants, and B vitamins, making them an excellent addition to a healthy diet. And let's not forget about their role in supporting heart health and blood sugar control. If you're looking to increase your zinc intake, make sure to include a variety of whole grains in your diet, including quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. In conclusion, zinc-rich foods are essential for overall health. From oysters to whole grains, there are a variety of delicious and nutritious options to choose from. Remember, incorporating zinc-rich foods into your diet can have a significant impact on your health, from boosting your immune system to promoting healthy skin, hair, and nails. So, I encourage you to take control of your health and start incorporating these zinc-rich foods into your diet today. What's your favorite zinc-rich food? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're looking for more health and nutrition tips, be sure to check out our video on the importance of omega-3 fatty acids. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.